Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FPHandmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I've made a couple of cards that I want you to check out. So a couple of videos back, I shared with you this Spellbinders cutting die. It's called Bee Bowl Blossoms, and I cut out everything on here to share with you guys. And I wanted to show you some cards that I used from all those cuts that I made to share with you. I put them on a card. So I'm going to show you the cards that I made. They're all super simple, but I think they turned out really pretty. So here's one. It says cheers, and this is just with the 3 of the leaves that I had. This was like the last card that I made. I had 3 leaves left over, so I said I'm gonna use them. I die cutted them out, so why not use them? So that's that card. And then I made this one. And this is showcasing several of the florals on there. And I also used some of the confetti that I purchased from this Calls for Confetti on here, so you can see how they look in action. So I also used the Spellbinders embossing folder, which is really hard to run through my Cuttlebug. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep that. I may be passing that on to another crafty friend. Very hard to, maybe the thickness of paper that I use, but man, it takes a lot of cranking to get this sucker through. But here's the second card. And then, like I said, I cut out all the flowers multiple times, so I had a bunch of stuff to work with. So here's another little card, and it says, thinking of you. I think this looks really good. And I used some really small, like the glossy accent that I have on here, just to give it a little dewdrop look. And that's Thinking of You card. And then the last of the cards from the Bee Bowl Blossoms are this sympathy card. It says, sending sincere condolences. And this is where I use the Spellbinders Color Essential Gems. Just a little bit of bling on it. I really like this card a lot. Not the best of occasions to send a card, but I think it's simple and still yet beautiful. So those are the cards from the Bee Bowl Essentials. So then I also shared with you in the last video that I purchased these dies from Spellbinders, the surprise box, and their color block balloons. So let me show you the card I made with this one. Now this card, I don't know why I chose these colors. I just wanted to do them, but this is how this one turned out. Obviously I would probably give this to a masculine person or a guy, and this is the same Spellbinders embossing folder. And then I've kind of crushed the box a little, which lets me know that I need to make it flat for mailing. So I may have to do some surgery on this card if I plan on using it. One of the things that I had the difficulty with was the glare on the balloon. I don't know. I just didn't quite like that on these gray balloons. So what is your thoughts below? Or let me know below. But it's different. So I also shared with you the large die of the month, which was the food truck. So I did make a couple of cards with that one. So first, let's look at the taco truck. So here's the taco truck on a card. And I just embossed it with the We Are Memory Keepers embossing folder that I have in my stash. I don't know why you would be sending a taco truck card to someone. Maybe someone really loves tacos, but it is so darn cute. I don't think it matters what sentiment that you put on here. Birthday, hello there, thank you. Wouldn't it be cute as a thank you card, maybe with a Chipotle gift card on the inside or something? But it is so cute. I don't know if I'll be able to give anyone this card. It's so cute. So that's the taco truck. Then I made ice cream truck, which, okay, that translates really well to birthday. So here's the happy birthday ice cream truck. So it's really cute. Boy, I struggled with the colors on this card. For the actual background, I just kind of closed my eyes and said, just go for it. And I pulled out this silver shiny paper, and then I embossed it with like a chicken wire embossing photo, which I don't know what that means with the ice cream truck, but I thought it turned out cute, especially with the strawberry ice cream on top, the white awning, and just really cute. So those are the cards that I've had to share with you guys. Let me know below which is your favorite. The Spellbinder apparently has arrived in my house, and they're here to stay. I'm just really having a good time with all these Spellbinders dies. So let me know which card was your favorite, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.